Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for checking this one out. It's not the video I wanted to make, but it is what it is. Life goes on, and I'll find another one. But sold the car due to some recent events happening in my life. Thanks to this virus BS and just ruining everything. I had to do what was best for me and probably the most, beneficial decision financially that I could come up with. So I got a decent offer on the car as it sits. So I decided to sell it, let it go. It is what it is. I'm definitely gonna miss it. I love this thing. So yeah, the new owner's on his way here, and we're gonna load it up on the trailer, and that'll be it for this thing. So it'll be local. He'll be fixing it up, and I'm sure I'll see it out, which is gonna suck, but what are you gonna do? Just want to say thanks to everybody for all the support and all the nice words and stuff about the car, and for just watching my little BS videos. I appreciate it, guys, and I plan on getting something else hopefully soon. So I hope you guys stick around and continue to watch everything, and I appreciate it. It'll be very much appreciated, but it's just gonna take a little time. So I'm just cleaning the car out right now and just waiting for the new owner to get here. But you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, guys. It's all gonna work out, but this is it for old girl.
what, motherfucker?
Let me know when. Good? 1, 2, 3! Ready? 1, 2, 3!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Well, that's it, guys. That was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, but like I said, you got to do what you got to do. I'm going to miss it. I really am. I love that thing. I'll never, ever talk crap on Corvettes. I mean, it's just one of my favorite cars, and it always will be. And, you know, the plan is to eventually get another one in the future, but I think it might be time to try something a little different and try something new. So, like I said, I really appreciate all the support for the channel, even though it's only like, I don't know, 2,000 something subs, but, you know, I appreciate all the kind words. I appreciate all the messages I've been getting on Instagram. And, you know, I'm sorry to disappoint a lot of you guys by selling it, but, you know, I had to do what I had to do, and it is what it is, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please, I'd appreciate it if you guys stuck around, stay subscribed, because something new's coming to fill this garage, and I think you guys will like it. If you're just a car guy like me, you'll appreciate it, and I think you'll like it, and I'll have a lot of fun with it. It'll be the same kind of thing, you know, racing, putting, you know, mods on it, going to the drag strip, you know, stuff like that. But thanks for watching, and make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell too, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot.